Just to show you what we're using here is literally just a cheap little whip called a whopper, which I bought for next to nothing, a couple of quid. I've done a little loop on the end of the line there. We've attached that to a cheap hook length. I bought a few packs of them a few years ago and they came in like a kit. That is it, with a float. We're in, Morgan, we're in. We got one. Get your bucket. Here we go. There we go. How's he hooked? Let's have a look. There he is. I don't know what we got you though. Should we put him in your bucket?
Yeah.
So I can have a closer look at him. Watch your hands now. Alright, calm down, buddy. Well, felt good. There we go.
There we go.
Got
another one.